Hello, Namaste, Namaskaram. Today I am sharing grated mango pickle that will tickle your taste buds. This pickle goes well with hot steamed rice, idli, dosha, upma and even parathas. Let's begin. I've taken raw mangoes which are really soft in taste. So first grate it in this way. Take the seeded mangoes which has longer shelf life for the pickles. We are done with the grating. Now we'll put in a small container and we'll mix all the spices and give the tempering. The ingredients I'm adding for the fresh grated mango pickle are: this is red chili powder, Kashmiri lal I had taken. This is the mustard powder. I just roasted for a while and made a powder, not too soft, just a little coarse. And this is methi powder. This is fenugreek powder. Little turmeric, so garlic, and this is salt. And I'm taking sesame oil. You can take any of your choice. You can take either peanut or sesame. Sesame tastes better. So let's start. Mustard powder. Take 1 tablespoon of mustard powder. And red chili powder. It needs 2 spoons, 2 tablespoons. And you can add according to your taste. I'm adding 2 spoons for this. Half teaspoon of methi powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Garlic. Add salt. Salt, be careful, just check. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Depends on how sour is the mangoes. Mix well. Mix nicely. All the spices should go inside. Mix well. This is done. Now we will make a tempering for this. It's around 100 ml of oil. While our oil is heating, let's look at the ingredients we are adding for this tempering. I've taken 2 to 3 dry red chilies, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, few curry leaves, and a small teaspoon of hing asafoetida. Now we'll add mustard seeds. Let it splutter nicely. Add dry red chilies. And curry leaves. And little hing. Make sure they roast nicely till they turn to aromatic. Normally few people they add the garlic in oil and they saute it for a while, but I prefer to add the fresh garlic in the pickle. I don't saute it. We are done with the tempering. Now turn off the flame and add after it comes to the room temperature, after 10 to 15 minutes. Mix the tempering well. You can see the color, you can see the texture. It came out really well. After it settled down, all mixed really nicely. Then the oil floats. You can eat it next day. It tastes more better. You can see the texture. The shelf life is 15 days in room temperature. If refrigerated, it stays up to 2 months. I prefer to eat with fresh curd rice, even with hot steamed rice. It tastes really good with little ghee on the top. You can enjoy with South Indian breakfast, idli, dosha, upma. It really, the flavor, the aroma is too good. Please try this recipe. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to press subscribe button for more updates of my videos. For detailed recipe, please check the description box. Thanks for watching.